Right, today we are cleaning the beach. We're on the beach with some students helping Kuwait become cleaner. All right, what is your name?
Yasmin.
Yasmin, can you tell us what are all these people doing here today?
Oh, we have middle school and high school students coming here to clean the beach in Kuwait.
Okay, and is it the first time you come here?
No, we've been coming here for close to 5 years.
Okay, 5 years. So when you first came here, what did it look like?
It was not what it looks like at all right now. The garbage is very obvious. That's something we weren't. It would take us like 3 hours to finish just a small section, but now we can spread out.
Right, okay, and what's the mission? Why did you decide to come to this place?
Oh, because the migrating birds come here, and also because it's close to school.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, see you later. Say a couple of words, where you are and what are you doing?
Cleaning the Sulaibekhat beach. There's lots of dirty things here, and we're collecting them and putting them in one side so that we can make our community a better place.
Right, so you're making community. And what school are you from?
Yes.
Elementary, middle school or?
Middle school.
Middle school, nice guys, you're doing a great job.
Thank you.